So in this video, I'm going to answer the 3 most asked questions about the Royal Enfield Touring Seat for the new Classic 350.
Oh, come on. Oh.
Only joking. The old bum's very happy with the new touring seats. Very happy indeed. My most popular video so far is the one about installing the touring seats. I mean, who'd have thought? It's had over 65,000 views. Along the way, there have been lots of questions in the comments. So here are the answers to the most asked questions. Most asked question number 1. As asked by viewer John Reed, the question is the touring seat any taller than the stock seat? Well, John, let's take a look. Verdict? Well, I think we can all see the touring seat definitely looks a bit taller. So let's say it's taller. Right, most asked question number 2. And this example is from Roaming Reels. It is the Pillion seat wider than the stock one? Let's have a look. I think we can all see that the touring Pillion seat is pretty much the same width. So, same width. For most asked question number 3, viewer Slarty Bartfast put it quite simply. More comfy? Well, I'm going to say initially they felt a bit harder than the stock seat. But as I've ridden more, they've softened up. They seem to have needed a bit of wearing in, moulding to the bottom, and the bottom is quite happy now. So let's summarise, and this is just my opinion, so take it how you will. To be honest, I chose them because I think they look great on my bike. I like the colour and the tuck and roll design. That said, the stock seats are fine. If you like the way they look, I'd just stick with them. In summary, I reckon the touring seats are pretty awesome, worth getting if you like the look. Now, if I can somehow get the 65,000 plus viewers to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
God. Oh, come on. Oh.